Have you ever wanted to cut a piece of plastic pipe, but didn't have a secure place to cut? Perhaps you set the pipe on a trash can or a bucket. The pipe wiggles, the pipe gets scuffed up, and the cut is uneven. You can even cut your hand with the blade. I'm going to show you how to make a pipe jig to hold the pipe in place, so you can get a perfect cut every time. All you need is a scrap piece of 2x6 and 3 scrap pieces of 2x4s. Secure one of the 2x4s to the 2x6 using 2 deck screws. Then place the type of pipe you'll be cutting next to the 2x4. Press the second 2x4 up against the pipe and secure it with 2 more deck or wood screws. You want to make sure you press firmly on that second 2x4 to ensure the pipe will be wedged between those 2x4s. This prevents the pipe from moving when you will be cutting it. I cut the third scrap of 2x4, so it was only about 2 3/8 of an inch wide. This goes on top of the pipe. I will be kneeling on this board to hold the pipe in place while cutting it with a sawzall. I'm only cutting 3/4 of an inch off this pipe to straighten out the uneven end. Look at that, the perfect cut, and no cut fingers.